Hello traders, I was asked to do a video on 3 specific markets using the Lux Algo software on the 5 and 15 minute time frame. So I'm going to cover the DAX 30, Nasdaq 100, and the Dow Jones 30. So this is Dow Jones German Titans. I guess it's known as also as DAX. So I haven't really looked at this before. I usually do US 30 or Forex pairs. So here's a short video covering these on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the Lux Algo does not come with these two moving averages. If I just take them away, this is how it looks. There are other indicators as well that I don't like to use though. I add this for like extra confirmation and to keep me out of bad signals such as this one here. So when you get a signal above the moving averages, I ignore it usually, unless it also falls, unless the moving average, the 20 is below the 40 on a short. I don't take that trade, and I only take the buys when the 20 is above the 40. So this here, I probably would have waited until it's moving average crossed. So so this is what it looked like on the DAX, and this is Nasdaq 100 index on the 5 minutes. And I've noticed this happened right before the market closed on almost all pairs. I mean, not this one, but a lot of the Forex pair did the same pattern here. So the stock market affected the currency pairs, as you can see. So the next time frame that I'll be comparing it on, let's go back to this one here. The 15 minutes. Somebody wanted to see the 15 minutes. So this is for longer trades. So you would got in one here, but then again, I mean that's my own method. If you don't want to use that, you don't have to do the moving average methods here. So that's what it looks like on the 15 minutes on a Nasdaq 100. So, and this doesn't repaint, but it does come on during the candle, but it could be flickering on and off until the candle is closed. But once the candle is closed, it does not change, it does not repaint. Because I get that question all the time as well. And that's what it looks like on the US 30. So, and to do a lot of people trade the GJ pairs. I find it's best to do it on the 5 minutes or even the 2 minutes. So you would have gotten great entries on the 5 minutes here. And my favorite time frame is a 2 because it's just gets you in and out quicker and less exposure to the market, and your stop losses tend to be shorter. So this is what it looked like on the 2 minutes here. If you would have taken this trade here on the 2 minutes, you would have gotten 136.64. You got this reverse bullish engulfing candle, so you would have gotten out here at 136.20, about 24. So that's from 64. That's 40 pips right there. But then again, this doesn't happen all the time. I guess there was some kind of news item. News came out, so that's why this moved like this. So I hope that was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Email me or comment. Thank you.